21. We have a plane that's 1660 feet from an airport, and it's descending to a runway. The runway is 6 miles long. We have to figure out the angle of depression. So we already have the picture drawn for us. I'm going to draw it a little bigger here. And I'm going to pull out the right triangle that I see. Right now, I know that the horizontal distance is 6 miles. We're trying to figure out the angle of depression. So if I look back at the picture, here's our angle of depression, x. And since I want to fit it inside the right triangle that I wrote, I'm going to use alternate interior angles. So this angle here would be my angle of depression also, equal to the angle of elevation, because they're alternate interior angles. So that's what I'm trying to find. They also tell us that it is 1660 feet from, above an airport. So that's its altitude here. And I need to find that angle. So if I look at my picture right now, I notice that first I could set up a trig ratio, but be very careful. 1 unit says in feet, 1 unit says in miles, so you're going to have to convert here. Either choose to convert them both to miles, both to feet. For me, the easiest thing to do would be convert the 6 miles to feet. So all I have to do is take 5280 and times it by 6. So if I type that in, I get 31,680 feet. So this is really 31,680 feet. So now I can decide on the trig ratio I'm using. So in reference to our angle, 1660 is the opposite. 31,680 is adjacent. So we're going to be using tangent here. So tangent of our angle is equal to 1660 over 31,680. So how do you ask your calculator to find the angle whose tangent is this ratio? Well, you're going to use the inverse button that you see on your calculator, and this is what you're going to type in. You're going to first type in the ratio. So 1660 divided by 31,680, press equals. Then, after you look at that decimal, you need to type into your calculator tangent to the negative first, or inverse tangent. So you hit second and then tangent button. You should get 2.999 and a couple digits after that. So that's approximately 3 degrees.